With a very small script, you can provide a very attractive looking terminal for your screen captures. I do a lot of screen capture in my videos. And I got looking at my terminal here and said, I got to figure a way, there's got to be a way to make this more attractive. So I created a little script that when you run it, it will change the appearance of your terminal. When I run the script, it gives me a choice. If I pick number 1 for YouTube, it gives me a prompt for YouTube videos. I also have a channel called Jupiter Jones. If I want to use the Jupiter Jones, it gives me the Jupiter Jones. Or MyLinuxToyBox. I also have a Philippine website. If I capture video on that, or I can drop back just to the good old date and time, which is 5. Now when you're in another directory, it's very easy when you're in the middle of working and you have your name changed to say, where am I at? Geez, where am I really at? All you have to do is go pwd and it shows your actual working directory. And that's of course from any one of these. If I go pwd, it says, hey, that's really where I'm at right there. Now we'll get into the script. How does this work?